Hello, thank you for coming today. My name is Dipti. Can you please mention your full name to the audience?
My name is Oloriyomi Akindekomak.
And under which party are you standing for this local election?
I'm standing under the Conservative Party for this next local election.
Alright. Why do you think the residents of Barking and Dagenham should support you in the next local election for the position of the councillor?
As a person and as a candidate, I'm also a resident of this borough. I've lived in this borough for many years. I'm resilient and steadfast. I strongly believe in connection with people through empathy by genuinely listening to resident concern, communicating clearly and respectfully, managing challenges calmly, and focusing on practical common sense solutions that improve everyday life in a community.
Thank you for your answer. Can you please also run us through the plans your party has to deliver after the local election?
Thank you very much. The Labour Party has run this borough for only God knows when, for so many years, and the manifesto of our party is focused on fairness,
yes,
safety, and responsible leadership for the Barking and Dagenham, which we are for Barking and Dagenham, and we have these plans as follows. Number one, we wish to freeze the council tax. Barking and Dagenham Council increased council tax by 4.99%. Families in Barking and Dagenham deserve support, not higher bills during a cost living crisis. We will work to freeze the council tax until the cost of living crisis is over. Secondly, we wish to create a safer community. As it stands, the level of antisocial behavior within the borough is skyrocketing. Burglary, vandalism, robbery, and car theft are the main major concern of this borough. We will work with the police and install more CCTV cameras across our streets, parks, in key locations to help keep our neighborhood safe. For example, if you go across all the parks in this borough, you will hardly see CCTV cameras.
Yeah.
If a crime occurs in those places, evidences are gone. You know, most criminals are afraid of CCTV cameras. So if you go across the borough, you will hardly see CCTV cameras. So this is part of our plans to make a safer community. Then thirdly, this is very important to people of this borough, to the residents of this borough.